How to enable Face ID in FxPro application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you want to enable Face ID on FxPro, first of all launch open FxPro application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well, and once you're in, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile name. Once you do that, you'll come to this page where you need to click on the Security Settings option. On the next page, tap on Face ID or Biometrics. Now enter a new passcode and confirm the new passcode. And right after you do that, you'll be able to add passcode on your device. For your iOS, if you want to allow Face ID, toggle on the switch right next to Allow Face ID and click Allow in the pop-up. This will scan your Face ID and then you'll be able to turn on Face ID on your iOS device. Now you can change your passcode whenever you want by coming to this same page, tap in on Change Passcode, enter your current passcode and then the new one. So that's it. You have successfully enabled Face ID on FxPro application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.